conversation today about positive affirmations to program the subconscious mind on self-confidence.
Programming the subconscious mind on self-confidence takes several steps, namely: first, choose a quiet place away from noise. 2. Make the background sound calm classical music. 3. You sit in the open body session, meaning you leave your body relaxed. 4. Practice abdominal breathing, which is taking a deep breath from your nose with your mouth closed. Inhale as much as possible and hold it for a few seconds, then exhale slowly from your mouth. Repeat the process 3 times. Excellent, you are now ready for mental programming. 5. Close your eyes and go back to the past, to the moments when you were happy in elementary school, high school, university, winning an award, graduation, a trip, a picnic, any situation. He conjured up the whole situation with all its details, its smell, the people, mental images, the feeling. You will feel that you are living it as if it were in front of you. When you feel that, release these phrases.
I trust myself. I trust my mind. I trust my abilities. I am confident, happy, healthy, and powerful. I deserve everything I want in life. I love myself unconditionally. I am competent, smart, and able. I am growing and changing for the better. I love the person I am becoming. Every day I am becoming a better version of myself. Today is a great day to be alive. Repeat the phrases 3 times. Breathe deeply.
6. Do the exercise 3 times a day for a week, i.e. repeat it 21 times. 3 times a day in the morning, midday, and before bed. The results are amazing.
If you got here, you're awesome. See you in the next section. Thank you for watching.